gentlemen, boys and girls, it's time to get this ride started. Be sure to secure all your loose articles at this time, and to operate the elephant, press on the pedal. Now let's all have some fun.
What the? What the hell was that? What was that? What the heck was that?
How's it fly?
What the heck? That looks fun.
Yeah.
We should do that after we eat food. Woo! Oh God. Oh, I'm big. I'm tall up here, bro. Oh, we're about to feel that jump again. Watch. What the hell was that? Whoa! This thing. That thing. Hey, it does that because they're gonna go down. Look. Bro, this is fun. I'm not even gonna hold on, bro. What the heck?
Thank you for riding Dumbo the elephant. Please use caution while exiting, and be sure you take all your personal belongings with you.